Hi, my name's Brooke McCain, and I'll be doing my video summary on note values. So my main points of this video, what I'm going to go over is rhythmic values and time signatures. So that leads us to the whole note. So the whole note is 4 beats. It has no stem, and as you can see, it is hollow. And then the half note is a little different. It has a stem, still hollow, but the half note, as indicated by the name, is half of a whole note, so it is only lasts for 2 beats. So in this example down here, 2 half notes are the same value as a whole note, so 2 plus 2 is 4. For the quarter note, the only difference really between the half note and its appearance is that it is a filled-in circle at the base. But in this case, it lasts for 1 beat. And as you can see down here in this example, 4 quarter notes are the same as 1 whole note because quarter notes, as I said, only have 1 beat. Also in this example, they label a tie, which just ties these notes together to extend the duration. But so for the 8th note, now the difference here is that this one has a flag, still has the stem, the filled-in bass, but it's markable, distinguishable by the flag on the stem. So an 8th note only lasts half a beat, so that's half of a quarter note. So 2 eighth notes are equivalent to a quarter note. Now down here in this example, you'll see that these 2 eighth notes are connected. This is called beebing. It's a way to connect flag notes together so that they're just easier to distinguish and read on a measure. So for time signatures in this example over here, this is 4/4, but they also have 6/8, 2/4, etc. So for time signatures, the top number right here, so for example this one, it will tell you how many beats are in a measure. For the bottom number, so for example this, tells you which note gets 1 beat. So for 4/4 time, as this example is right below where my screen is showing, it tells you that it gets 4 beats in a measure, meaning that you can't exceed 4 beats. So then the bottom number would mean that the quarter note is the one that gets 1 beat. Another example that I have here is 6/8 time. So the same goes for the 4/4. The top number tells you that there are 6 beats in this measure, and then the 8 tells you that each beat is equal to an 8th note. A thing to note is that that the top number, like there will never be more notes than that the top number indicates. But yeah, that's all. Thank you.